Thank you for tuning in with me, Enchantress for BABBLER. That is I on this evolutionary rise of a hive. This is part 3 of the 2 videos that I know video 1 already just uploaded. Video 2 is uploading, and now this is going to be video number 3. Video number 1 is called what is trance like meditation, I think, part 1, and then part 2 is called Innerstanding. Trance like meditation, something like that, part 2. So yeah, and now this one is going to be in continuation of that video, but in regards to the 5 spirit animal cards that I have pulled at this time. So the first one that I pulled was the ram, symbolism of sacrifice, growth, and divine life. And it's just interesting to just since we are tapping into the western side of astrology at this time with the Virgo full supermoon that is occurring, the original goddess, Mother Mary kind of figure kind of thing, feminine energy that is being exalted at this time during this super moon, during our new entryway into Piscean season, which is pretty cool. The ram is a symbol from ancient mythology that has long been associated with sacrifice and ritual slaughter. The ram's death is not only an offering, but a precursor to rebirth and thus a symbol of renewal. The ram's association with new beginnings and new life is reflected in the astrological sign of Aries, which marks the start of the astrological year in spring. Spring is another message that if you have been following all my videos, spring is bringing forth a lot of surprises, fresh new starts, new beginnings, good news, unions, full-blown transformation, confirmations. The ram's association with the new beginnings and new life is reflected in the astrological sign of Aries, which marks the start of the astrological year in spring. In the Odyssey, the hero Odysseus narrowly escapes from the Cyclops cave in certain death by clinging to the underbelly of a ram, which hides him from the Cyclops view. In the painting, the ram is shown holding a branch, a reference to the universal tree of life. Below, a woolly white ram is being honored by animal deities. The Kalmuk people of Mongolia would consecrate such a white ram chosen from their flock, giving it the title the Ram of Heaven. This holy ram was never shorn.